Big tech is bringing its money back home, and this time it is a massive multi-billion-dollar bet on American manufacturing. Now, before we take a deeper dive into the details of this historic deal, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Front Page. With that, let's get straight to the story. In a huge development for the global tech supply chain, Apple has just announced a massive new multi-year agreement with Broadcom. We are talking about a deal expected to exceed $30 billion to design and produce cutting-edge wireless components right there in the United States. Now, this partnership is set to produce more than 15 billion US-made chips, securing critical tech components while supporting hundreds of American jobs. Now, to understand why this is such a major shift, we have to look at the bigger picture of where the tech actually comes from. Now, for years, Silicon Valley has relied heavily on overseas manufacturing for its microchips. But Apple has been working behind the scenes, quietly at that, with the administration and domestic businesses to build a completely self-sufficient end-to-end silicon supply chain in America. Now, this new deal is the crowning jewel of Apple's American Manufacturing Program, or AMP, which launched just last year to accelerate domestic production. In fact, this agreement marks Apple's largest AMP commitment to date. So where is all this action happening really? The epicenter of this deal is Fort Collins, Colorado. As part of this massive commitment, Broadcom is making a $1.5 billion capital investment to expand and modernize its manufacturing facilities there. Tech experts know how critical this location is. The Fort Collins plant will be responsible for building advanced radio frequency components, including something called F-bar filters, as well as next-generation wireless connectivity technologies. Now, these are the essential components that powers the fast, seamless 5G and wireless connectivity you expect every time you pick up your iPhone, iPad, or Mac for that matter. Now, Apple CEO Tim Cook highlighted the depth of the partnership, noting that these cutting-edge components are absolutely essential for future devices, while thanking the administration for supporting these massive domestic projects. Broadcom CEO Hock Tan echoed that excitement, celebrating decades of shared success with Apple and a joint commitment to American innovation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the front page take on this. This is not just a one-off corporate press release. It's part of a much larger blueprint. This $30 billion deal is a slice of Apple's broader, ambitious pledge to inject $600 billion into the US economy over a 4-year period. What we are witnessing right now is a fundamental rewrite of the global tech playbook. By anchoring its supply chain domestically, Apple is insulating itself from geopolitical tensions and shipping bottlenecks while proving that high-tech manufacturing can still thrive on American soil. The question we have for you today is, with Apple doubling down on US-made silicon, do you think we'll see other tech giants completely abandon overseas manufacturing and follow suit? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.